2 sizes of sink to best fit your kitchen space. Sink fits into a 900mm sink cabinet. Enough space to comfortably wash pots and pans, even when the dishes have piled up. Artificial marble, natural stone, melamine. Compatible for installation in a wide variety of countertops. Recommended sizes for countertop apertures are 855mm by 440mm for the JSL sink, 790mm by 440mm for the JSM sink. Ergonomically constructed for 3D function. By installing the sink under the countertop, the flange and the sink wall can be offset. Up to 3 staggered ledges open up possibilities for 3D use. 4 specially selected sink accessories. The drainer panel, the multi-plate, the cutting board, and the drainer. Using the accessories with the sink ledging. Place the accessories into the sink at your preferred depth or position to best suit your needs. The JSM sink features a seamless connection between the sink floor and the drain. This optimizes water flow and ensures smooth drainage of water and refuse. Easy to wash and keep clean. The original strainer basket design catches and holds refuse and is removable along with the strainer for washing, ensuring a hygienic environment. Drain stopping plates are square to fit the sink model. Giving your kitchen a sharper, more stylish feel. Damping installed to reduce noise. Noise and vibrations from running water and dishwashing are reduced with the installation of damping material on the underside of the sink. Featuring waterproof coating. Waterproof coating is applied after the damping material to ensure reduced condensation while adding extra features to the design.